Hey Christina. Yeah, so I was really bored and I told you that I was going to do something for your birthday. And so, here it is. But first you have to watch me warm up because I was like, hey, why not? So, this will bring back memories. First you warm up. Notice your favorite part. But okay, so you're warmed up. Make sure you're all loose. And then stick your tongue out as far as you can and paint the ceiling. Mm, and then talk like in your little old lady voice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You're not warmed up. Keep going. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so I think I'm ready. For Geburtstag zu dir, for Geburtstag zu dir, for Geburtstag, liebe Christina, for Geburtstag zu dir. Oh, it didn't work. Wait, ready? There we go. Happy birthday!